outer space to find.
I'm creative.
She just tell you that because she want to feel good. Yes, we're back. All right, you remember that New Year's resolution? The one about getting fit, the one that some of you putting off again until 2019, the one you make every single year over and over and don't do? Well,
Every year.
fitness trainer Camilla McDonald is here to get you back on track, or, actually to get us on a track at all if you've never been, for some people. And then for others, they're
Improvising.
just annoyingly creative Camilla television. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to
Thank you.
Smile.
Happy New Year.
You look bright and bright.
I
like
am
you've been up.
excited, and yes, I'm a morning person.
Have you done
so-
your workout? For
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Get it
Where did
in and out.
this morning?
I ran. I took a jog because
How
I did
long
weight
was your
training.
run?
30 minutes. Quick, in, out, bye.
Okay.
Move
What?
on today.
It's a brown kissing teeth.
What is the strategy for being able to stick to a routine? Because we all try and we're going to go to the gym, we're going to
Right.
get back on it, and
Yes. I would say that it actually starts mentally, right? It starts with finding a compelling reason why you need to be getting fit in the first place.
so it
You
can't
said
just
it-
be because you want to look good.
You can't just do because Carnival will come up in 3-4 months.
Yeah.
And, it
Yeah,
has
that's
to
good.
be something a lot more compelling that is going to get you out of the bed in the morning when you would rather be sleeping.
So why is
you
it
know?
that people wait until the new year to decide? they want to
It's
do
still energy. It's new year, new you. We want to, attack your life. But that's the energy that you have to kind of tap back into, What
When you
is that
reach
calling?
March and you
Yes,
pop
exactly.
down.
You pop down. What is that calling within you that is waking you up to want to wake up? You know what I mean? Always tap back into it. It has to be a lot more compelling than just to look good on the beach. You understand? It has to be about health. It has to be about living your best life. We cannot just be getting up every day and living in autopilot.
That's true.
Right?
So I have put on weight recently. Benji said to me, say, I'm not going to call me Slimmatic anymore.
You're
I'm
looking
going to-
good.
Him say, he's a big 45 now, so he can't call me Slim anymore. So you have to get me back on track.
Yes.
What is the first thing that we need to do?
Okay,
in
the
terms of
first
our
thing
workout?
is to create a plan, right? A sustainable plan that is actually something that you can follow through. Oftentimes in this new year, new me,
Just try to go
thing,
hard.
what you try to go hard. I'm gonna work out 6 days a week,
No, sir.
plus I'm gonna run 2 days a week
No,
in addition, and then it becomes it's not something that you can sustain and live up to. So by March, as you said, you pop down and you feel like it's not possible because what you tried to commit to in the first place is too much. Start
How do you
small.
Let's
determine?
start, yeah.
Yeah, how do
Start
you
small.
determine?
I would say if you have not been working out, start with 3 days a week for 30 minutes. It just is about being effective, having effective routines that, you can really maximize your time in that 30 minutes.
All right.
I can
So
show you
you're
some
gonna
stuff.
show us some
Yes.
now.
Now, what I love to do is mix cardio and weight training, especially women shy away from weight training, feeling like, they're going to
look
get
tough.
bulk up, which is not the case.
No.
Actually, quite the opposite. By, training and developing more lean muscle mass, your metabolism is going to be faster, and so you're going to be a fat burning machine all around the clock, even after you work
So
out.
on to the Monday.
The man them, just naturally good.
So
So, okay.
we should do some weight training.
Yeah, everybody. Okay, so we're gonna mix up cardio and weights.
Okay.
Start with the 10s.
Come on,
I should
nobody
have bring
this
50. No.
You seem
no,
to look a
no,
tiny
no,
weight,
no,
like-
no, no. We're going heavy.
So I must just go over one side and go skip?
Yes. So we're gonna let's do a couple seconds each. So just give me some front lunges, but give me some lateral raises while you're doing them.
With
So
them,
all the way up. Hello, the little
A
10
10
pound.
pound doing.
I've seen you work out before. Ready? And go.
Wait, she said
Turn
go.
so, no? Turn so. They can't
But
see
I
you.
don't want to lick it with this something.
You're not gonna
You
let me. Ready?
Ready?
Oh.
And go. All the way
how
down
long?
now. Keep
For how long?
couple seconds. I'll tell you when. Go.
I can't do no more.
Oh, jeez. Yes, good. No, you have to keep your torso upright.
Oh.
Keep your knees behind you. There you go.
I mean, I
Right?
skipped since prep school. I can't skip.
All right, give me jumping jacks.
Okay.
Right? Go.
Ready?
Jumping jacks. Go. Right?
don't know.
2, 3, 4,
Much of them,
5, 6, 7. Almost done. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, switch now.
Yeah,
Switch.
And do what? Lunge?
You are
We
doing
can't
no.
lunge.
You're gonna do squats.
Oh.
All right. So holding them. So you can skip. Watch him show off now.
All right, so
Just put them here.
Yeah. Put them here and keep your knees behind your toes. Toes pointing forward and brace back your hips.
So when do we
Ready?
rest?
And go. Yep. There you go.
when we do we rest?
No rest.
No rest yet. You do it's high intense interval training. So okay, show off.
Yeah, we can skip.
All the way
go
down
on
and
in.
up. Good.
The
Let me
only thing
see.
we can do.
Good. All the way down. Nice.
So what
Give
about?
me about 15.
All right. So what about working out? What about water? Come on, know you're big on water.
Very, very, very important. You know, water is the fluid of life. It literally it lubricates our joints. Keep going. It, you know, it is. If we're not adequately hydrated, we cannot even perform in our workout in the way that we should.
I want to sleep.
Sleep is extremely important as well. That is something that will, if you are sleep deprived, it will cause you to store
Somebody
fat.
now say stop.
No, 3 more. 3 and
All right.
last 2
Okay.
and last 1. All right,
Not
everybody,
bad.
2 of you down on the floor. Let's do
Yes,
some-
that's so good. Down
let's
on
do
the
some-
floor.
How,
Let's do some crunches.
how long you have to sleep for?
So experts suggest between 6 and 8 hours, depending on
And if
who
you're a
you
mommy
are.
and you can't get 6 or 8, what you must do?
Try to get at
I'm
least
sure
6.
Lanny Bear sleep through the night.
Try to get at least 6.
Take
All
power
right.
naps.
Right? Ready?
Well,
Let's go. Sit up.
2 minutes, so we're gonna
do sit-up punches. All the way down and up, punch, punch. Ready?
all the
And
way
go.
up where?
Sit up.
Like
ready,
up in
go.
the air and
Yes,
punch,
there
punch?
you go. Right? And lift up with your core. Ready? And up.
Punch,
Punch,
punch.
punch. Yep. So the idea
when
here.
you train that trouble, you want up there.
What this work?
Let's go all the way down and up. Come on, all the way down. And
Yeah,
up.
man.
Ready?
You see
Punch,
my baby?
punch.
What's
And
how this
down.
work now?
Punch, punch. All right. So the idea is not to be talking while we're working
Yeah.
out, but the point here is to be able to try and incorporate workouts that are effective, that are burning calories and fat, you know, in the shortest amount of time by incorporating large and small muscle groups together. So like the lunge that you just did with the lateral raises, big muscle groups with the smaller muscle groups at the same time, but you're incorporating cardiovascular at the same time. So maybe you'll do 30 seconds of the lunges and the squats,
And get up and do
then
some
you get
jumping
up,
jacks.
you do some jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Then the idea, the trick is to be able to do it at maximum intensity for maybe about 2 minutes, and then you rest for about 30 seconds, and then you come again.
All right,
And
so
how long should you do that for?
let us.
I would say if you want to start out, if you're just starting out, start out with 30 minutes, no more than 30 minutes.
And
You
how
can-
long should you keep that plan before you try and up it a little bit?
4 weeks.
Yeah, about 4 weeks.
know
About
that.
4 weeks before you try and up it. When you start to feel like you are not challenged, you're
Yes.
supposed to leave every single workout completely out of breath.
Not
feeling
feeling
like-
like you've torn something.
No,
but
absolutely
like you
not.
worked.
But like you worked, you know, you're supposed to feel it the next day in muscles, you know. So it's just about committing. It's just about knowing that there's no other way, right? If we don't find time for health, we'll find time for sickness.
It's true.
All right.
It's inevitable. So, you know, make it a year and don't
When
keep
I
reliving the
start
same
working
year
out
over
on
and over.
Tuesday, I'm gonna tag you and say,
Please.
"See, I did
Good.
start."
Why-
Because
why
I'm
not
eating
Monday?
garden. Eh?
Why not Monday?
Because Monday I'm a day off, my one day off, I'm have to sleep Monday. I'm have to sleep. Fitness trainer Camilla McDonald. Thank you so much for stopping
You
by,
are
lady, even
welcome.
though I'm not really too like you right now because this might hurt me. But believe it or not, we have more workouts later. What? Who says so?
Jamaica.
Our producer is giving us a little break, I guess, from all of that. Oh gosh, we're gonna cool down a little bit and we're gonna taste some chia jam after the break. So don't go nowhere. Suko. Oh gosh.